In today's fast-paced business world, efficiency is the key to success. Many organizations have invested in an ERP system to streamline their operations, manage resources, and optimize processes. But here's the question: if you already have an ERP system in place, do you still need a CMMS? Let's consider this scenario. You have an ERP system that manages your finances, human resources, and inventory. It's great for handling the big picture, but what about your maintenance and asset management needs? Equipment breakdowns, unplanned downtime, and maintenance inefficiencies can still be significant challenges, even with an ERP in place. This is where a CMMS system comes into play. It's not about replacing your ERP, it's about complementing it. Your ERP handles your financial data, employees, departments, and more, while your CMMS focuses on the maintenance and asset management aspects of your operations. With a CMMS in your arsenal, you can efficiently manage preventive and predictive maintenance, reducing unexpected breakdowns. You gain real-time visibility into asset performance and maintenance status, allowing you to calculate the risk of unplanned downtime more accurately and ensuring optimal operations throughout the organization. It also allows you to control and manage the work order that can be created, assigned, and tracked with ease, streamlining your maintenance processes and giving you better visibility of the workforce. Preventive maintenance not only reduces emergency repairs and extends asset life cycles, it has a long-term impact on the overall cost and depreciation of your asset. And with CMMS enhanced reporting, you can access detailed maintenance data for better decision-making and compliance. So the answer to why do you still need a CMMS system is clear. It's the missing piece that completes the puzzle. In today's competitive business landscape, optimizing your operations is essential. Your ERP and CMMS systems can work together harmoniously to help you achieve your goals. Ready to take your maintenance and asset management to the next level? Contact us today to learn more about how integrating your ERP with DreamzCMMS system can revolutionize your business.